2018 is here, so I actually thought I would spend some time to leave you guys with a message for this new year. You see, during the year of 2017, I have the luxury to spend a lot of time with you. Either I'm doing consultancy or education, and with different types of businesses, from big to small to one-on-one. And the thing that this gives me is, it actually gives me a lot of insight into what's going on with you guys. So this is why I'm doing this message, because this is my way to create a movement for 2018. If there is one thing that I would say that I took away from 2017 from all of you, is that many of you have this mindset that goes like this: oh, I'm not gonna do it because, oh, but so many people are applying for that job, oh, but I don't know if I'm going to get it. And this is a failure mindset. So you are already putting yourselves in a failure loser position before you even give yourself a chance to know what you're going to get. So what is even the point? So the first principle that I want to talk to you guys about is change the mindset from being a loser mindset to believing in yourself that you could possibly get something out of when you try. So I would really want you guys in 2018 to stop having a loser mindset. I'm calling it, this first principle, I'm calling it a loser mindset. When you say things like this: oh, I'm not gonna do it because others are doing this. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to do it. I hear this all the time when you are thinking about changing jobs, when you are thinking of a new career, when you are thinking of pursuing what you love. Don't put yourself in a loser position. Put yourself in a position, even if you're not super positive about it, put yourself in a position that is at least neutral, that you're going to say, I am going to try. And when I try, I am going to receive an outcome. From this outcome, I'm going to learn. Second thing is that I want to talk to you about for 2018 is self-esteem. You see, when you're putting yourself in this position where, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna do it, I don't know if I'm gonna get it, you're already putting yourself in that loser mindset. But that also comes because there's not enough self-esteem within you. So the second thing that I really want you to focus on in 2018 is building your self-esteem, self-belief that yes, I'm going to try to apply for that new job. Yes, I'm going to try to start vlogging, and I'm not going to care about what people are going to say. Yes, I'm going to try to pursue something that I love, and I don't care what my parents or my friends or my family are going to say. So the second thing that I want to urge you guys with is to have more self-belief in yourself. It starts with you. It doesn't start with your friend, with your sister, with your parents, with your co-workers. None of that really matters. It really starts with you, because guess what? They're not going to pay your bills. They're not going to give you a house. They are not the ones who are going to fix all of those things for you. It's you. It always starts with you. The third thing is, another thing, and this is the final thing, there's three, is something that I see all the time. A lot of you that I work with, or a lot of you that I do consultancy with, there's like this expectancy that I have a magic formula that can guarantee the results that you're going to have. I hear this all the time. Oh, but what am I going to get? What will be the results? If I have A, B, C, D, which one is going to be the best, and what are the results that I'm going to get? Guess what? You have to put in the work. Everybody wants lots of followers. Everybody wants really good, beautiful content. Everybody wants their own what results is for them. But not a lot of you are actually prepared to put in the work. A lot of you have new products, have new merchandise, but not a lot of you are actually prepared to put in the work to see what results you get. Put in the work. Stop making the excuses. Take the time to put in the work. A lot of you ask me, oh, but how do you do this, and how do you get that, and how do you always respond to your fans, or how do you always have this time to do all these things? Because I make the time. I abdicate a lot of my other things to make the time for the things that really matter. So these are my three kind of principles that I would take away from 2017 that I really want you all to really focus on. Stop the loser mindset. put in the work and believe in yourself, work in your self-esteem. If I didn't have these three things, if I wouldn't be working on these three things, I really wouldn't be where I am at, and I still believe I still have so much more to go. So I really want you to focus on these three principles, to really work hard on those, and to make an effort daily to really believe in yourself. Secondly, to really put in the work so you really see the results, and get out of this loser mindset. Stop saying phrases like, oh, but what will they say? Oh, but I'm not gonna apply for that job because a lot of them will. Oh, there's no point in starting out. Then if you're a loser, then you need to admit you're a loser and that you don't have dreams. But I don't believe in that. So this is my message to all of you for 2018. Please stick with me in believing in these three principles, and I would love to hear from you. So drop any comments below or DM me. Also, if you're loving my content on YouTube, yes, subscribe, and you know where to follow me daily on Instagram. So I can't wait.